highs, higher lows. We said earlier this was, pulled back to test this 8.5, 875 area to 9.25. It's come out and made another new high. And we said today the long side will prevail if they get it back into this territory and then hold it, this 15, 16 area. And that's why the first time back we wanted to think that the shorts would try to defend it. But in reality so far, all we're really doing is rotating around that area and not making significant progress in holding down the longs. So every time that we get a new leg higher, pullbacks need to do more work to get back and take out significant support. So for now, I'm keeping that 9. Anybody that's got fingers and toes should have an idea that somebody wants profits, and it might cause a little reaction backwards, and how much, who knows. The 8 support has been moved up. Obviously, we said, let's move it to, here's your 3. And that was a primary target this morning, and then we got above it. So timing-wise, this is probably the contra right now, and my guess is it won't go as far as shorts would like to see it go. So it's probably more of a profit-taking idea than anything else. And my suggestion is, if you're playing this afternoon, play with capital that you don't care about. Should already be in protect profit mode. We're still at lunchtime, and we're still rotating, making higher highs and higher lows. So until that pattern reverses itself, the longs are in control for now in today's trading. And we take each day, one day at a time, and try to evaluate. And for position traders, people that play a different game than we do, those traders are always thinking about higher highs and lower lows on the bigger picture. So in the bigger picture scheme of things, obviously the 30 highs and the 25 highs, and perhaps we said today even a 20 high, round numbers. So it all depends on those traders and how they react, because they're the ones that move the market, not us. So more than likely, this was the bar we identified pre-market as resistance, because all of this was unauctioned territory overnight. This had all not been explored at all. Just plunged late day and down. And so now, in hindsight, a lot of traders can understand that psychology of which we talked about. Be very careful that we could get another squeeze type day. And the first resistance shakes out all of the longs that had to pay up first at lower prices, and then Charlie said, yeah, let's short. But meantime, we get some news, we get a good reversal, we take out the IB high right here, and we come back from a great trade up here that realistically is a nice continuation trade. And we said at the time, profits need to be taken. So, middle traders are looking here in that 875, 850, 9.25 zone to get, traction again. And here's where it's interesting, because obviously we had the overnight range that we've started to rotate around and make higher highs, and that's part of the mix today also. So we can go to any day high, I said, or any day low. When I said that this morning, but I meant it. And my thought was primarily we would have to do some backing and filling no matter what. So that's been accomplished already. And it's my belief that quite possibly the shorts really have no shot at defending this afternoon. And we still could get a rollover Sunday night or whatever, just a defense mechanism by the boys. It's first of the month bias and cigar trading and whatever. So protect profit modes. Anybody trades this afternoon, my advice, keep what you've made, risk very small, and look for small contras short side, and if you get a trailer that wins, great. But Shorts really have been fighting this ever since this first push. This is a good trade, and then this one remains to be seen, but my guess is it probably won't go anywhere near as far as the shorts would like to see it go. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. So theoretically right now, I think this 9 is our big support, and got range trading in there, and then above the 19, anything goes. And because we sold off hard yesterday afternoon, I don't think we're going to sell off hard this afternoon. Law of alternation says no, we're not going to get the same trade we got yesterday. So I'm not believing in the short side to get anything big.